Hello everyone, and welcome to Streamlined Parts Source. Have you ever found what looks like a fantastic deal on a car part, either online or from a new supplier, only to deeply regret that bargain later? It's a really common story, and today, we're going to talk about something crucial: the cheap part trap and, more importantly, how you, the vehicle owner or mechanic, can avoid it entirely. So, you're shopping for a part, and you see two that look almost identical, but their prices are worlds apart, sometimes hundreds, even thousands, of rands difference. Why is that? Well, it's often because not all parts are created equal. A genuinely low price can hide significant issues. We're talking about inferior materials, sloppy manufacturing, or a complete lack of proper quality testing. These aren't just generic parts, they're often parts that haven't met any real industry or safety standards. And here's another common trick: sometimes, that super low price doesn't even include essential things like proper fitment instructions, the actual courier costs to get it to your door here in South Africa, or even a basic warranty. What looks cheap upfront can quickly become very, very expensive. Taking a chance on a bargain part carries serious risks, and it's not just for your wallet. It's for your vehicle's safety, performance, and long-term health. Firstly, safety hazards. For critical components like brakes, steering, or suspension, a cheap, substandard part can simply fail unexpectedly, leading to incredibly dangerous situations on the road for you and your family. Secondly, poor fitment. A part might look right in the picture, but if it doesn't fit perfectly once it arrives, it can cause immediate damage to other expensive components in your vehicle, leading to even more costly repairs down the line. We've seen this happen to many times. Then there are repeated repairs. A cheap part isn't built to last. It will likely break or wear out much sooner than an original or quality aftermarket part. This means you end up paying for the part and the labor to install it, not once but multiple times. And crucially, voided warranties. Using non-spec or unapproved parts can often void your vehicle's existing manufacturer warranty. If something else goes wrong later, you might find yourself without coverage, leaving you exposed to massive costs. So, how can you protect yourself from falling into the cheap part trap and ensure you get genuine value and peace of mind with every purchase? Advice number 1: always verify. Don't just rely on the model year or general descriptions. You need the exact VIN, vehicle identification number of your vehicle, and the precise part number. This is absolutely crucial for accurate fitment and compatibility. Advice number 2: understand part types. There's original equipment manufacturer's own parts, then reliable aftermarket parts, and then generic. Know the difference, understand what you're buying, and research the manufacturer. Advice number 3: check the source. Is the supplier reputable? Do they have a physical address? Do they offer a clear warranty on their parts? Do they stand behind their products if there's an issue? Advice number 4: look beyond the price tag. Consider the overall value, the durability, the safety implications, and the long-term cost. A slightly higher upfront cost for a quality part can save you a fortune and a lot of headaches later. And finally, advice number 5: trust your gut. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Don't let a low price blind you to potential risks. This is exactly why Streamlined Parts Source exists. We are your trusted partner in avoiding the cheap part trap, especially here in South Africa. With over 20 years of dedicated experience in the automotive industry and an extensive nationwide network of reputable suppliers, we do the rigorous verification and legwork for you. We ensure you get the exact, high-quality, verified part you need every single time, completely hassle-free. Our entire focus is on getting you the right part the first time, giving you peace of mind. We eliminate the guesswork, the hidden risks, and the frustration, so you can get your vehicle back on the road safely and reliably. Don't take chances with your vehicle's safety, performance, or your hard-earned money. For expert, verified part sourcing, reach out to Streamlined Parts Source today. You can connect with us and send your part request via our easy-to-use contact hub. Just click the link you see on screen and in our description, or scan our QR code for instant access. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more valuable automotive insights, and share this crucial advice with anyone who drives.